This video, I'm just gonna get at it.
Dirty forks!
This is the Deore, Shimano Deore, 11-speed derailleur off of my son's Kona Cinder Cone year 2022. And yeah, so I'm noticing that the bearings in the pulley wheels are a little, they have a little almost like a squeaky grindy noise to them. So I'm just going to service these bearings. That's the bearing there on these wheels. And then this is my rag. Don't mind my dirty rag but this is the rag I use for deep cleaning these wheels. I always deep clean these wheels every time we wash the bikes. Get all that old stuff off. This is just accumulative dirt and chain lube mixture. So there it is, clean. And I use air to dry it. And then the little bearing, you can see the wear pattern in the center. So I'm just gonna clean that on the rag, just moving it back and forth. The wear pattern's gone. And these, just get a quick cleaning on the pad as well. That's wear. See, that won't even come off. Grease in both channels. And then in the center, I'm going to put just a little bit here. It goes a long way. Just kind of turn that a little bit as I'm pushing it in. Put that side on. And I'll put this side on. And I'll give it a quick little spin. So if you just hold both sides, you can slip that back into position in the cage quite easily. I tell you, they make these derailleurs so easy to work on now. If you want to part it like this, the older derailleurs are just so much of a pain in the butt. There's just a little water in there. I'm just going to check the state of the clutch mechanism here. It's a little... It's not as tight as I would like to see it. It's a little bit better. It's properly greased. But it's just not enough friction. Now you don't want too much friction where it can't change the gears for you. That's better. So that's no friction. And clutch on. You can tell. Yeah, that's much better. This is something you bring into the shop and they're like, oh, you need your clutch serviced. That'll be so and so dollars, right? So yeah, that's no clutch. This is with clutch. Oh, that's way better. Way better. It's just nice to know that that's okay, and just a little bit of tensioning on that screw to increase the friction in the ratchet in there in the clutch. And yeah, this derailleur is call it serviced. Now you could technically take that out, take the cover off, take the clutch mechanism out. That comes apart in two pieces. And you can clean that, and then you just unravel this, and you can take these two parts, you can separate these two parts, and there's a spring in there, and you can service all that too. But because this is so new, still, I'm not going to go that far. That's maybe another a year away from having to go that far. Like I say, we take care of our stuff, as you know if you watch the channel, and yeah, this is just another thing to take care of. So yeah, that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching.